May I have your little more time before we enter to the 2020? Yes, you're about to hear a strange but a great story. People need it, so I'm about to tell it. There was a beautiful apple tree and a cute kid. Once after school, a kid came with a tiredness and sadness towards the apple tree. Apple tree asked the kid, "What happened, my dear?" Kid replied, "I'm tired and hungry." So apple tree smiled and replied, "See my branches, eat as many apples you want, and sleep under my shades." So he happily did it and left that place. As this continued for many years, once it came with sadness. Apple tree surprised and asked, "What happened, my dear?" He replied, "I completed my education, but I'm not getting any job. If I won't get a job, I will die for sure." Apple tree smiled and replied, "Oh dear, don't worry. Do one thing. I have some many apples here. Pluck every apple and go to the market, sell it." He did it accordingly, but he again came back with anger and disappointment, telling that, "You have given me the apples, which comes in some seasons, but what shall I do for my everyday life?" Apple tree smiled and replied again, "Oh dear, nothing to worry. Look at me. I have beautiful branches. Cut all the branches and make a boat and go for fishing." Na? He happily cut all the branches and went for preparing the boat, and he started fishing it. One fine day, he again comes back with the disappointment, stating that, "I have wife now and a children, but I don't have home to make sure they're living in it." Tree replied, "Oh dear, I have a trunk. Cut it off and build a home." So he happily did it, and what left? Little bit roots. One fine day, he was shivered with big thunderstorm, and he was shivering. The sea was flooding, and he came towards the apple tree. Apple tree replied, "Come near to me, fire up on me, and get a heat, or else you will die." He did the same. Are you guys thinking, what kind of a tree? By losing all its existence, it's helping that kid. What kind of a tree it is? Yes, my dear friends, go to your home and you have gifted with two apple trees. You know who are they? That is your father and your mother. What have we done to our parents? Take a time and think. Yes, yes, my dear friends, this might be a inspiring story, a short video, but it should change your life. Let's make something big and make our parents proud this year. And let's reduce the old age homes and orphanages. Let this coming year should be Happy New Year, not the same year. Why? By telling this, I welcome you all to the new life, new hope, and new year, that is 2020.